Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel creativegraphics.com. Okay, let's see what's today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creative typography background using Filmora 11. Before going to the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for my day-to-day update. So let's go to the video. Okay, first you can see I add my image to the timeline. I make these images using Photoshop. Then I add a background to this. Okay, then I create moving animation like this. Then I export this project. Then I add exported video to the timeline. After that, go to the Effects tab and search Image Mapper effect. Then I add it to this layer. Then go to the Effects settings and select Preset Mode to reset. Then I change the top and bottom curves to 30. Then I set Edge Blur to 100. Then select the Crop tool and crop this layer to Portrait mode. Then I increase the scale a little bit like this. Then I take a copy and paste it here. Then I adjust it like this. Then reverse speed this layer. Then I take another copy and do the same thing. Okay, now it looks like this. Then go to the Effects tab and search BCC Lens Correction Effect. Then I add it to the top layer. Then I go to the effect settings and change the correction value to 0. The scale value to 130 or 13. And the rotation value to -10. Okay, that's it guys. Let's see how it looks. Okay guys, this is the how to make creative typography background using Filmora 11. So if you want to learn more like these Filmora tutorials, you can join my channel now. So guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification for my new updates. See you guys in the next video.